Welcome to our In the Trenches series presented by subject matter experts from Nordson EFD. Each segment will share lessons learned in the field, along with practical advice to meet and beat the challenges on the front lines of assembly production.
Hi, my name is Anthony Buzzerio, and I'm an application engineer too here at Nordson EFD. Nordson EFD is well known for its engineered fluid dispensing technologies used by manufacturers worldwide to assemble products in nearly every industry, from medical to electronics. All year long, I jump into the trenches with our customers to help them solve problems and avoid setbacks. I want to share my insights and tips to help you keep your projects on track. So today I want to discuss the high cost of downtime in assembly production. Every day I'm working with customers who either want to start a new process or they're improving on a existing process, and public enemy number one for any manufacturer is downtime. They hate it. It is their worst nightmare. The common saying is time is money, and that is never more true than it is in a manufacturing environment. Any downtime you have is money down the drain. So just as a real world example, this actually happened to us a couple of years ago. It's a Thursday morning. One of our sales reps calls me. She is absolutely frazzled. Her customer has an EFD dispensing robot and a belt on it broke. And this was like an absolute worst case scenario for them. They didn't have any spares. The entire line is down just because this one robot is down. It's a key part of their process. So we got a belt. We shipped it off to them. And even, we had to do overnight shipping. That took a day. And then it took another half a day for them to get one of their techs, grab the belt, replace the belt, get the machine up and running, verify their entire system. In that day and a half of downtime, they lost $1.5 million. The kit for that robot that we sell to keep it up and running is about 1% of that loss. And that's a huge lesson for them. And I think you can take from that. That's a huge lesson for you. Don't be afraid to spend a little extra money on redundancy in the short term to save yourself some pain in the long term. I'm Anthony Buzzerio here at Nordson EFD. Thanks for listening, and join us in the future for our next installment of In the Trenches.